This might be the dumbest thing I've ever built! Holy shit! Woo!
Perfect. Completely street legal.
Hi!
Oh. Sometimes you need to captain your own ship.
Ropes are set. Abandoned ship! Dear!
I'm higher than you, is what I scream at the local crackhead to piss him off. Oh, he looks angry. Police caller if you ask me.
We might be stranded, boys.
I love my land pirate ship. I might be in love. And what better way to test the structurability of such a fine piece of art than to take it on a mountain back road with inclines, ledges, trees slapping me in the face, angry residents. If it can handle that, and if I survive, we know for sure that it's street legal and DOT can't do a thing about it. I am a genius.
Abandoned ship!
I'll just slap a license plate on this thing since we're pretty much in aerospace. Top of my head to the ground. Ignore the chronically bentified ladder. There may have been an incident involving a skid steer. Here we go. I am a trained professional, YouTube. Don't try this at home and wish me luck.
Nerves are kicking in now. Got my machete, because I'm gonna have to whack the out of these branches. Dun, 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 dun.
Start! Don't blame him for the bumpy ride. My clutch is and so is my transmission. My paint is chipping on my roof. Okay, first challenge, we're gonna have to get up that little hill. A little bit scared. It's gonna be fine though. I can bail over to that hill. Woo! We're good! Okay, we're holding on tight, boys. Helmet down. Pick up some speed! Woo!
Coming up on a corner now. Yes, we're golden. Oh, it's actually safer to have no harness and half the rails missing. That way when this thing, well, if this thing falls, once it gets close to the ground, you just hop out. Easy peasy. Visor going back down, coming into branches. Combat mode. Bring them on! Oh shit. Yes. Shit. Oh, oh, oh. This road is bumpy as hell.
Yeah, hold on tight, boys.
Pretty much the only downside of this is it does get a tad bit windy up here. My shirts are blowing and slapping me in the nips. I'm gonna end up with, what's the word? Chiseled no, not chiseled nipples. Chastise? Is it chastise? No, chafed. Chafed, that's the word. Chafed nipples. I should not have been so excited to say that. Oh shit. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh, my hand. Ow.
Oh, my camera's getting sloshed. So am I. Not like that. I just meant like by the branches.
Uh-oh. Potholes, potholes. Oh, shuck buckets. Ow. I feel every bump tenfold up here. Ow. Why is he hitting every single bump in every single branch? I'm firing him.
I decided to fire him. Sometimes you need to captain your own ship.
Round.
Like so. And up to the crow's nest. Close enough. Just do everything yourself. That way, nothing can go wrong. Maybe my most genius idea I've ever come up with. Close enough. Brilliant. I just shut that in the door. Okay.
What could possibly go wrong? You're only going to be able to turn your steering wheel about 6 inches, which means your tires are going to move this much. So if you have a turn, make sure to give yourself about half a mile to do it. Here we go. I shut my rope in my door. What good idea works on the first try? Let's run it back. Look at my foot right now. That's how scared I am. Shaking like crazy. Yet I'm gonna go do it again. Okay. Steer that way. Abandoned ship! Never mind, driver. You're hired again. But guess what? That just gave me another brilliant idea for this crow's nest. You're gonna want to see this. Oh my gosh.
This brilliant pirate landship also makes an incredible hunting stand. As long as the deer ignore the giant blue truck on ground level, they'll never see me up here. And even if you forget all your hunting equipment, you just come over here, lop this branch off, sharpen a quick point on it. Oh my gosh, deer! Oh. Carson, why don't you just use your machete? It's not primitive enough. The wooden spear, they'll never see it coming. You blend in, you're just like a bush. I'll demonstrate. You've got your throwing spear, and then you got your hand spear. Oh my gosh, deer! And you and as you can see, cleanest kill you'll ever have. He's done. Most humane thing you can do. And if you get really good like me, you have your hand spear and you have your swing line. Oh my gosh, turkey. Follow me for more hunting tips. Ladders are for sissies. Nailed it. I have now got my safety bail line. Oh no, tree. You just jump out, hold onto this, do a swing around, backflip, land on the ground, you're perfectly safe. I would demonstrate, but you know, my back, that's the only reason. I feel like I'm on a pirate ship right now. Oh, works great. That's about the best safety test you can do. I would know, I invented it. Sometimes my genius is so massive that the ideas, they don't work because the idea was so good that it's impossible for it to work. Otherwise it would be too powerful and the universe is like, no, you can't have that. So that's what happened there.
I look like a Power Ranger. Hell yeah. Now we're getting to the part of the road where we got more residents. If we're gonna get the cops called on us, it's gonna be in the next few minutes. Ha! I'm higher than you, is what I scream at the local crackhead to piss him off. Oh, they're definitely there watching. Uh-oh. Oh, he looks angry. Looks like a police caller if you ask me. The solution to that is just drive faster so the police don't catch you. That's not good advice. I was kidding. People need to lighten up and just laugh. We're running into vehicle troubles. This thing is a piece of shit. Oh, we're getting it. There we go. Go, go, Power Rangers. I think turn this into a dancing platform. An exotic dancing platform. Can you imagine me up here, 18 feet in the air, shaking some ass? I don't know why I said that. Our first real threat. Let's teach this bastard a lesson, huh? Oh. Whoops. I was gonna hop on this thing. That looks like it's gonna come down. That's gonna have a new dent in it for sure. Hi. Oh, that's a big freaking ditch. No, please. Oh my God. Holy shit. Let's survive that. We're good. We're still alive. Woo! This is working better than I could have dreamed. Transmission is completely f***ed on this thing. Why is there such a big dent on the top of my cab? Oh. There we go. He's got it, he's got it, he's got it, he's got it. Chop it on top of my cap. Oh, ow, ow. Oh, okay, that jabbed me in the throat. Dun, da 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 dun, da 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 dun, dun dun da dun. If you ever get bored of the thrill of a motorcycle, I highly suggest trying this. Look at the slaughter I've caused. What a great day. Got trouble going into gear again. We might be stranded, boys.
Well, we made it an astoundingly further amount. That was a great sentence than I thought we would. And heck, the crow's nest is still intact. It's the stupid truck that broke down. So I'm gonna say this thing's street legal. I'll see you guys on the highway, 18 feet in the air. Wave at me as I go by. I'm a genius. We just have to figure out how to get home now. Crap.
It's high day, the army's on its way. Held off on cages loud and strong.
Perfect. Now it's completely street legal. There were no trees harmed in the making, if you believe that.